Welcome to this brief overview and demo of the Spirent Velocity Automation portfolio. During this video, we'll look at the challenges organizations face moving their test lab resources to a fully automated environment. We'll also look at what's needed in a solution to overcome these issues, and then we'll dive into a demo that will illustrate how many organizations are using Velocity to achieve a completely automated lab and test environment. Why automate your environment? It really has to do with driving down costs, beating the competition to market with the latest and greatest of technology or services, and achieving better utilization or greater efficiency with high-value lab equipment. All of this can be driven through greater insight provided by a comprehensive automation solution. When organizations attempt to automate their test and lab resources, it is often driven by an internal team who will develop a homegrown solution. The challenge with this is that while it meets the needs of the team creating the tool, the solution probably doesn't meet the needs of the other test teams. Additionally, you can't scale or integrate into other teams' processes. Resources are incredibly limited, so efforts often flounder as organizations don't have the expertise to be able to handle literally every facet that is needed to virtualize, abstract, orchestrate, and manage test and lab automation initiatives. What key features should an automation solution have to empower companies to be able to fully automate their lab environments? It begins with a fully integrated solution that will seamlessly connect into your existing CI/CD environment. This starts at Layer 1 and Layer 2, with infrastructure access providing clear connectivity and management of devices, then extends into lab and test automation capabilities that work seamlessly together and can be accessed through a single user interface. A solution should provide not just access, but also in-depth analytics for really understanding what's going on during testing in order to improve results. And finally, where there are knowledge gaps, you need a partner you can rely upon to ensure your initiatives can successfully meet their objectives. And now we'll run through a live demo to see how a comprehensive and powerful automation solution works. This is Velocity's inventory page, where you can track all your lab resources, including infrastructure, connections, and virtual resources. You can organize your lab into logical and abstract test beds using topologies. In an abstract topology, resources are chosen at reservation time based on conditions like model name, resource type, and port speed. Topologies can be reserved as well as individual resources. Modify abstract conditions before a reservation to ensure resources chosen match your specific testing needs. Apply a configuration or software image to a resource when a reservation starts. Layer 1 and Layer 2 connections are dynamically configured using Velocity's database of physical connections in your lab. Active reservations create a temporary topology containing reserved resources and active connections. Connect to a reserved resource through Velocity to access a virtual console. You can interact with the resource manually or take advantage of automated actions. Command history is recorded and can be replayed or captured to create automated tests. Run automated tests against reserved topologies and resources. Update test parameters on the fly. Test reporting is built into Velocity with rich messaging, allowing for easy interpretation of results. This demo gave just a brief look at Spirent's Velocity Automation portfolio. The Velocity Automation portfolio is the only integrated lab and test automation solution that allows teams to consolidate, automate, and manage testing and lab resources from any location, anywhere. Organizations using the Velocity portfolio have been able to achieve up to 60% reduction in operating and capital expenses, while also accelerating their time to market for new products and services by weeks or months. Contact Spirent for more information on how the Velocity Automation portfolio can help you in your organization.